Hello ladies and gentlemen, and today we'll try to test the Figma MCP and to convert the quite complex designs to WordPress. So let's start. Greenshift has official Figma add-on and it works quite good for simple templatic wireframes, but for real complex design with a lot of overlays, a lot of elements that place it each above another elements, it works not good. For example, these sections, if I try to convert it, you see that it's not correct. It's not correct because this section doesn't use auto layout, it doesn't use correct grouping of elements. As you see, it's quite chaotic here, so it's not what we need. So we need to use agentic system, we need to use AI. So now let's try to convert the same, but inside the Visual Studio Code and Cloud Code extension. So you can use any agent. I use Cloud Code, but you can use Codex or any agent that can be connected to MCP. And for connection Cloud Code to MCP, I need to click on MCP. So MCP servers, and you see I have here Figma, but if you don't have, usually I just ask my Cloud Code or agent to install it. So I just type please install Figma MCP, and usually it will show you the steps that you need to do to install this Figma MCP connection. So now when you have installed this, I open my Figma, I just copy this file and put it in an agent and ask please convert me this file to test HTML. So I created test HTML file, it's an empty file. I put here this file, and now I need also to know which section. So it's group 26. So convert me group 26 section only. And I also try to download the images. So and download images in current project. So let's try and see what we will have. So it's finished, and now I want to preview it. And because I have installed GreenLight add-on for Visual Studio Code, I can simply click on this icon and I see my file. So it still have one problem, so we need to fix it. And for this here, I just click and make the screenshot and ask my agent to fix my problem with this button. So I copy my screenshot and I write please fix me button. It must be as on screenshot and smaller. So this is what we have now after agent fixed it. And another problem that I see that it's not responsive. So I can click here and I see that it has a horizontal scroll. So I also ask him to make this page responsive. Please make section to be responsive and remove horizontal scroll on smaller devices. So now we have this and it becomes responsive, but some elements not good. For example, this button is not a good position, and for this small fine tuning it's better to use GreenLight features. For this I click on this icon, select the element that I want to change or place or change some position, and I simply need to change the values directly inside the visual editor. So button now it's better. Also, these lines becomes very ugly, so we need also to ask him to change them. Please fix me these lines in SVG. Use previously made SVG. And I also make the copy. Okay, great. Now we have the correct lines, so it's much better. Okay, the next step will be to move everything to WordPress. And for this, if you use GreenLight Visual Studio extension, you can simply click on this icon, and then you need to export to WordPress, and you need to connect your site. And before connection, you need to create the application password. For this, you need to go to your profile and create your application password here. Then you can copy everything, your URL, your username, application password, and add the site. So when you add, you will have this line, and then you can select, and it will show your pages and templates. So you can export to your page and to your templates. But before we export our HTML, we need to prepare it for using inside the WordPress. And to do this with best, we need to go to the Greenshift site. And here you can find AI agent, and click here and find the link to GreenLight wipe skill. So I just copy this link, go to my agent, and simply ask to prepare my HTML for export in WordPress using my GreenLight wipe skill. So I simply paste this link and ask, please prepare my test HTML using instructions from GitHub folder. So now when our agent prepared our code, so we need just one click and export our web page. So I select export to WordPress, select our site, and select the page where I want to export. I also upload media files, and I select the make full width WordPress section. So I click on update page and open page now. Yes, it's working as expected, and I just need to click on the save. And as you see, everything is working as expected. So this was Figma MCP workflow, and I think it's quite stable now and it's production ready. Thank you for your time, and see you next videos.